Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 5-star resort. In this video, we provide a detailed explanation of everything you need to know about this property like amenities, room category, location, landmark, facilities and reviews also. As you can see on the screen, the resort location and nearby attractions and landmarks are also provided here. To see more than 100 of reviews of this resort, you can go to agoda.com. Its review rating is 7.9, which is the very good. Room category 1. You can see on the screen room details like room size, bed type, room height, facilities, amenities, and images, etc. Room category 2. Room category 4. Room category 5. Room category 6. Room category 7. Room category 8. Room category 9. Room category 10. Next, we discuss the amenities of this resort as you can see on the screen. In this hotel, 10 type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. The location of the resort is excellent and guests to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. Check-in time in this resort is 1 p.m. and check-out time of this hotel is 11 a.m. There are many deals and offers available online for this resort along with different meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book, you can use the link provided in the description below. If you have any problem booking a room in this resort, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. For booking or get more details about this property, please check the description. If you have stayed in this resort, you can send your experiences via comments. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then you subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming resort. Thank you for watching the entire video. Dear friends, we'll meet again in another video with a new resort.